Hey friends, if the drag and drop feature is not working on your Windows 11 computer, then please watch this video for the resolutions. So the first solution is to restart Windows Explorer. Search for Task Manager in the Windows search bar and open the Task Manager window. Let all of these processes load, it needs a while. Right click on Windows Explorer and select Restart. The second solution is an SFC scan. Search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on Run as Administrator in the right pane to open the elevated command prompt window. Type the command SFC /scan now and hit enter to invoke the SFC scan. Last solution is a clean boot. Search for System Configuration in the Windows search bar and open the System Configuration menu. Now go to the Services tab. Check the box associated with Hide All Microsoft Services. Click on Disable All, click on Apply, OK, and then restart your computer. Here's what will happen. In the clean boot state, all external programs will be off at startup. They will be disabled at startup. And in that case, you can try to identify an interfering third-party program that is preventing the drag and drop feature. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of this video. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.